Hi everyone, this is Miss Lackey, your media coordinator at Ardrey Kell High School. Did you know that as a CMS student and staff member, you have a free Microsoft Office account online, as well as the ability to download 5 free Microsoft Office suites onto your PC or Mac computer? Today I'm going to show you how to log into your online accounts and show you how to access this great resource. It's just another alternative for you. I know we're very Google heavy in CMS, but this is another option for you if you really like working within Microsoft Office products. So the first thing that we need to do is we actually need to navigate to office.com. So go ahead and take a moment and do that. From office.com, you're going to actually log in with your Microsoft email account. So for a student, in order to log into this account, it is actually your student ID number at cms.k12.nc.us. Notice how the word student is actually left out of this email, so a little different than logging onto a Chromebook. Your password is actually your date of birth. So it is your 4-digit birth year, 2-digit month, and then 2-digit day. For a staff member, it is the same login information that you use to log into your school email account. So from office.com, you go ahead and type that in, and then you are going to click. And once you're signed in, it's going to bring you to this screen with all of the different programs available to you from Microsoft Office 365. You're going to notice I already have some stuff here. This is all of the documents I open within my CMS email that are Microsoft products. A great thing about Microsoft Office 365 online is that through OneDrive, you can actually link it to your documents offline. So let's say I'm working on a document, a Word document online, and then I want to be able to sync it to Microsoft Word that I've downloaded on my PC computer. I can actually sync it through OneDrive. So as I'm working on that Word document offline, when I connect back online, I can sync it back up and it is going to update all of my Word document online as well. So it works kind of the same way as a Google Doc. You also, again, like I mentioned before, have the option to download this Office suite on 5 different devices. You'll have an option to install Office on your device. This was just a quick tutorial to show you how to access your Microsoft Office 365 accounts as a CMS student or staff member. If you have any other questions, stop by to speak with Ms. Lackey in your AK library. Thank you.